Are you looking for a home that is dynamite? Join me today as I take you on this tour of this awesome remodeled home in Dynamite Estates in Cave Creek, Arizona. I'm Blair Ballin with the Ballin Real Estate team at Hunt Real Estate, and let's get right into it. So, we're coming up here. Obviously, that's the front door. And this home was remodeled with a budget of over $100,000. Pretty awesome, lots of renovations. Beautiful front door. Right here at the entrance is a guest bathroom and a den, which could be used as an office, could be used as a bedroom, but there's no closet, so we can't call it a bedroom. But if you want to throw in some type of pull-away couch with a bed in it, whatever it is, could be absolutely great for that. Just outside of that, as I mentioned, coming up here on the guest bathroom. So simple setup, toilet, sink, easy to use. Now we're going to head back out past the front door. And here we have the living room. Call it a family room, living room, whatever it is. Big couch. Home is currently being used as an Airbnb. So there's this couch, TV, very comfy, very relaxing. Garage here to the left. Let's go in there and check it out. Soft water system, very important here in Phoenix. Got a lot of hard water, so soft water systems are almost a must. Extra storage mounted above with the racks. Lots of other storage too. Very clean, painted inside. And now, the kitchen. Little niche before, or niche, whatever you want to call it. But the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, lots of natural light, as well as recessed lighting and pendant lighting, beautiful countertops, lots of storage with the cabinets, both below and above. Opening it up here so you can see what's inside. Gas range, super nice. Fortunately, they didn't come on, so we got to keep moving. But lots of storage even above the cabinets. Then you can see going back there what that looks like. The sink, nice sink. Neighbors are kind of close, but there is still enough room. It won't feel like they're right there. Water pressure looks great to me. Nice tile backsplash. Stainless steel dishwasher. And then the eat-in kitchen or dining area. And that front room could also be used as a dining room if you wanted to. Plantation shutters. Now we're looking at the kitchen and the dining area together. There's the hallway. Open it up, pantry, could be used as a coat closet too if you wanted to. And then this is the official pantry, so lots of room to store there. It's not a walk-in, but there's plenty of room, plenty of space. It's all you really need. Two doors, so it's convenient for that. Looking back at the kitchen, eat-in kitchen, dining area, very nice and clean with a skylight there too, so lots of natural light, which is really awesome for homes here in Phoenix. And finally, walking down the hallway, here's the laundry room, has a sink, which is a super nice feature to have in a laundry room. Go back out, there's some more storage, another closet, guest bathroom, one sink. It would be great if there were two sinks, but just one. Probably could be easily plumbed to have a second one if you wanted to. Would cost some money though. And there's a laundry room again. Don't know why that lock is on there. But here's the first guest bedroom. So not a walk-in closet. Not very common to have a walk-in closet in these types of homes. But new paint, new flooring, nice carpet. Kind of dinky on the lighting fixture, but whatever. Now we're going to go to the second bedroom. Kind of matches that other one, right? Pretty simple. TV on the wall because it's an Airbnb. Set up pretty nicely. Same type of dinky light fixture. Similar closet. Similar storage. Nothing too crazy in this. And now we're going to head back through the kitchen area. Bathroom again. And we're going to go towards the kitchen into the very nice family room. So imagine yourself sitting here watching a game, Netflix show, whatever it is, view of the beautiful backyard, which we'll see momentarily. Again, lots of natural lighting, just flows really great. Perfect for entertaining, relaxing, whatever it is. There's the backyard, which we will get to in a little bit, but very open. And even though those first couple rooms kind of are chopped off, it still feels open. And now going into the master bedroom. It's a really big size master bedroom for Phoenix Homes or Cave Creek. It has a little sitting area right there. The bed, good size, another sitting area, and then the master bathroom. You know, nothing too crazy here. It's been remodeled, has the shower. You can see what it looks like. Nice sinks. Does have the double sinks, which should be common in master bathrooms. Nice countertop, toilet room, throne room, whatever you want to call it. And the master closet, very decently sized with a lot of storage, redone to be better for storage with organization. Now going back through the bathroom, back through the master bedroom, this big door here, which I don't really know why that's there either, but whatever. Kind of heavy for the master bathroom, but we're going to go through the master bedroom again to go back into the family room and finally to the beautiful backyard. To open up these doors and enter onto the covered patio with a travertine floor base, nice covered patio so you can sit out there and relax. And wow, what a view, right? Yes, there's no mountain view, but I'm talking about the view. It's just beautiful with the artificial turf, relaxing pool, which you'll see here closer in just a little bit. Has the cover because, again, it's an Airbnb and they have it. But view fencing to the park right behind. So lots of walking access. There's the pool equipment, but super close to that so you can, go on a walk, call it a hike, whatever you want to call it. But just no neighbors behind. So extra privacy. How nice is that? And there's not a tremendous amount of trees, so you get a good amount of view there. Unfortunately, time of filming, there was just a little bit of a windstorm, so the pool's kind of dirty, but it is a great backyard. Now, I will say, home is surrounded by two-story homes, so not everyone loves that, but it is what it is. Beautiful backyard. Again, this home is located in Cave Creek, Arizona. Super desirable. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. There's the jacuzzi. You have more questions about this home or other homes in Cave Creek? Hang out, relax,